Tuesday, y'all. It's Saturday, October 29th. Yes, October 29th. It's about 10 a.m. We just went to the Mosquito Cafe. Mesquite or mosquito?
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 That's it.
There's Mosquito Cafe. It was really good. It's quick. It was an 8-minute walk. And then when you get there, you order at the counter. And then you go sit. And we got served really quick. I'm already one mimosa in. Because another day, another mimosa. Our check-in time is only at 11. Thankfully, our checkout time here is at 11. So we don't have to be stranded with our suitcase anywhere again. And yeah, hopefully Embarcation is smooth and quick and easy. So we can get this started. Is it recording? Oh, now it is. It's pretty loud in here. I don't know if you can hear me. The easiest and quickest embarkation I've ever seen. Everybody knows what they're doing. There's 75 check-in counters. They're quick. Yeah, you can tell they know what they're doing. Super quick. We showed up at the port at like 11 minutes, 4 minutes to 11, which is our boarding time. What time is it?
I don't know. I don't think it's 11:30.
No, there's no way it's 11:30. We're walking on the gangway and we're gonna be on the Vista in like 40 seconds.
Here we go. First Carnival cruise.
Gotta get the feet. Just finished muster.
Muster took, I don't know, 40 seconds? Like, it was pretty quick.
Yeah, 40 seconds. And I'm out of breath because I went up 2 flights of stairs. We are checking out Havana for the first time. There's nobody in here. Also, rookie mistake. Don't go to the atrium bar.
It's not open.
It's not open. Don't go to the atrium bar as soon as you walk in. I get it, they're busy. Everybody's going there. I asked for a vodka soda. And the guy came back with nothing. He couldn't even speak English. And I don't have my drink yet. So we're looking for drinks.
And no beer.
Yeah, he's like, no beer. And then I got nothing as well. So.
Fill the beer too.
First drink at Tides. Vodka soda because the beer had not arrived and it's here now. But it wouldn't be cold anyway, so. Blue Iguana Cantina. Jason got me a burrito bowl. I'm not sure what protein's in there, but that looks good. Jason got pork and chicken. Yeah, Guys Burgers was crazy. They made 2 lines. Another day. What are you doing?
So when you on the camera.
Did you do that? Oh. I love it. Just got to the room. It's cozy.
It's not that bad. It's better than I thought.
Yeah, it's not bad. There's TV. They say fridge, but apparently it's not a fridge. It's more like a cooler. Is it cold if you put your hand in?
Oh, no, they said leave the door open.
Oh, that one, yeah. You should put a few water bottles in there, honey. And then bathroom. That's one of the things we were least looking forward to on Carnival.
Shower curtain?
The shower curtain that will stick to you when you shower and shave your legs. You know, ladies, gotta shave the legs. But yeah, it's pretty much same size like if you're doing Norwegian. Cute. And then we have a little bit of storage in here.
They already know the rooms.
With the safe. I don't know how to dress for Galveston. So I have this little cropped, it's knitted. Would you say knit?
Yeah.
I was dying of heat forever on the Lido. And then I was freezing, and then I was dying of heat, and then I was freezing. So I don't know what to wear. And
wait, so we opened our envelope for our Havana wristbands, and there's 4.
So one lucky couple is gonna get like our extra.
I don't know if we're supposed to sneak people in, but we're...
I don't think that's sneaking in. They gave us 4 wristbands. They know there's only 2 people in the room.
Alright.
We're gonna pick carefully. We're not just gonna go ahead and give it to anybody.
So bingo update. I got a free drink for Roxanne. Who would have thought? Unbelievable.
But I was at the bar only with my black beads, and I got some orange beads. And then they were like, "Oh, is that your husband? Does he want orange beads?" And I'm like, "No, don't give him any orange beads. You're gonna have to find another way."
So we're doing okay though. Roxanne's drunk enough to dance, so that was an easy win for me. But apparently she's gonna dance.
I'm gonna do the sail away. That's on our bingo. Sail away line dance. I'm gonna do the wobble. Left, left.
I'm not good with the wobble.
I'm not either. I'm still gonna do it.
Left, left is not the wobble.
Whatever.
It's like the... Anyway, I'm terrible at the wobble. Alright, so now we're heading back up to the big sailaway party.
Lido Red Frog Rum Bar on the Lido.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's called. Alright. Alright, so it's like, what time is it, baby?
7:05.
7:05. We're heading to Gigi's for dinner. First night, I wore my same shirt as our last night. It's a cruise though, what are you gonna do? Like, I don't know a lot of laundry. And nobody knows on the ship, other than you guys, that I wore this shirt yesterday. Shh, don't tell anybody. Anyway, someone has hiccups, so I'm doing the video. Sail Away was a slow start. Cause I don't know what the deal is. They don't play music until it's officially Sail Away, and then it was a good time. It's a lot of drinks. We had a lot of fun. Even the drink plan's not included, but we had a lot of fun. So we played bingo. We handed out bingo. Other people joined in. I don't know. I think I'm kicking her ass right now.
I doubt it.
Oh yeah.
No.
I am kicking her ass right now in bingo. It's not even close. Well, we'll take a look. So yeah, there's Roxanne's bingo. She has what, 4? And,
Plus free space.
and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Son of a bitch. Yeah. So bingo's a big hit, actually, and next cruise I think we'll expand on bingo and have. Well, my plan is expand on bingo and give it out to more people because it was a lot of fun and it's working out well. I think so. We met Wes and Belinda tonight, and I think what's gonna happen is they're here for a wedding, and I think I'm gonna hang out with Wes and Roxanne's gonna go to bed. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully not. Anyway, we'll let you know how Gigi goes, and see you soon. Mashed potato thing?
Yeah. So those were complimentary. The last mashed potato. There's 2 different sauces.
Sweet and sour and something.
I think I made. No, I'm so hungry, babe. Go ahead. This
Shrimp
was
dumplings.
Shrimp dumplings with grapefruit.
It looks like it.
And then there's a few different dipping sauces.
This was the same as the free one. These two are different though. This is the hot one.
Hot.
But now it's
Hot.
so don't worry.
Go, baby.
Everything will be bad.
Right in the chopsticks. Good.
So that's the duck.
They have new drinks. No? Running order?
We had dumplings. See? Smell the dumplings? The dumplings are really good. Shrimp dumplings?
The shrimp dumplings were amazing.
Yeah.
Spring rolls?
Yeah. We didn't film the duck. The duck was really
We
good.
didn't get any
No.
duck? Stop it.
The duck was really, really good. Dumplings are really good. I don't know if we filmed the dumplings. Dumplings are really good too.
We got dumplings.
We're not supposed to order an extra appetizer, but we ordered an extra
Ooh, that's hot.
spring roll appetizer.
I was gonna have a bite, but I need to wait a sec. These are way too hot.
Yeah.
And the sauce has been in
So that's braised beef.
Short rib. Yeah.
Short rib braised beef. With jasmine rice. It smells really good. And then talk to me about the spring rolls.
We got spring rolls.
Oh my god.
No, I'm just kidding. Spring rolls are they're hot.
Yeah, we got them quick. They were really hot.
Straight out of the fryer. They're good. I've only had like one bite, so I can't really say too much, but it was tasty. I tried it with a bit of this sauce. This one is,
Soy sauce base.
yeah, it's too salty for me.
I love it. And that one's like hot sauce.
Hot sauce is good. Oh,
This
yeah.
is the Chinese broccoli.
Chinese broccoli.
Yay!
Thank you.
Enjoy!
That looks really good. And yeah, the spring rolls. It's still really hot. It's
Yeah.
just focusing on
They're
the-
extra spring rolls because we weren't supposed to get them anyway. But you know how it is. Just ask. Just ask.
Just ask. Just ask. That would be the Kung Pao chicken.
Action shot.
Action. That looks so
Yeah,
good.
there's like cashews in there.
Is that why you jumped on it? Because you wanted the cashews?
There's cashews left over. I didn't eat them all.
So we've finished most of the entrees, appetizers.
Yeah, waiting for dessert.
We're waiting for dessert. And we both got green tea. I'm cold, y'all. I'm freezing.
And heartburn and
Oh, yeah.
whiny and tired.
Oh, okay.
We're just tired.
I wanted to show y'all our tablecloth.
Oh, wait.
Wait, 1 sec.
Because my side's clean. Her
That's
side
my
is-
side, all dirty. And then Jason's is all clean. Okay.
That's menu and
Rossani. So for the payment tonight, would you like to pay it together or separately?
Together.
Or everything on occasion?
Yeah, for sure.
Wait for me, I'll come back.
I smelled it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Roxanne always laughs. We go out for dinner. Every once in a while, they're like, oh, one bill or two. And she always laughs, like, oh, yeah, you're too old. They don't think we're together. She makes fun.
First
and then,
date.
then here we are here. It's like, one bill or two. One bill or two. Come on. The dinner at Chi-Chi was really good. Yeah, we were very happy with it. We finished this place. The washroom is down one floor. Like, down one floor. So, yeah. Just be prepared for that. Anyway.